Hi, today I just want to give you a short testimony of something small that happened, but it was great for us. Last night in our cell group, there is a young couple, that lost their file for their baby's birth, and the lady's ID was in there and all the other stuff they need. And they looked all over for it and they couldn't find it now for weeks. And last night they mentioned it. And the cell leader said, let's pray for that. And we as a cell prayed for them to find that thing. And as soon as they come home, they found it and they shared it with us. And we were so happy that God is true in the small things as well. Have a blessed day.